This is an Acegoo Wireless light switch kit that I purchased. So if I want to delete this, I press and hold it for 10 seconds. I want to clear everything out. You're going to see it start blinking fast. So now it's cleared, so it's no longer paired up together. So I'm going to show you how to program this thing. You press and hold that black button, hold it for 3 seconds. It'll start blinking. Once you let it go, you take your remote and push it either up or down. It doesn't matter. Once you push it, now it's programmed. It's that easy. See how I'm turning the lights on and off? It's really simple. And that's all to it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.